We've heard you've got some questions about our products, so I'm here to help. My name's Adele, and I'm going to walk you through your question step by step. Many carpet tiles have arrows on the back like this. But not everyone knows why they're there. As it turns out, these arrows are very important when installing your carpet tiles. The arrows indicate the direction that the face fiber or pile runs in. This is called the pile direction. Though the pile direction can be subtle in some products, it becomes more obvious if you place two carpet tiles side by side and orient them in different directions. The way the light hits the pile direction at different angles can make it look like the tiles are different colors. For an installation that looks more visually consistent, you'll want to install the tiles with their arrows all pointing in the same direction, which means the face fiber or pile will sweep in the same direction. The pile direction is the main reason for the arrows, but they can indicate the default direction of a pattern on the carpet tile. This can help you install the floor with the correct layout to get the design you want. There are several layouts you can create, such as the quarter turn, the brick pattern, or the ashlar design. The most common and often recommended tile layout is the quarter turn. Whatever you choose, the arrows on the back can help you stay on track. That wraps up this video. Have more questions? Chat with an expert at flooringinc.com. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.